First step, to put the points in, you do the second function, this one, and the y. And you see that these are the plots, so where you plot the point. Right now it's off, you need to put it on. So you go, enter. It's going to go to a different screen and you say on. When on is highlighted, it means that you selected. And you see you should have here list 1, L1, and list 2, L2 for X and Y. You have that?
Wait. Yeah, I know.
Okay. Help each other. Who can follow, right? So after you get that, you need to go to statistic.
Well, how did you do that?
Statistic. Statistic.
Okay.
And then you go to edit. Okay, there's number 1. You push enter. You see I have some data there. You should have nothing. But you should have on top, you should have L1 means list 1 when I'm going to put the X's. And L2 it means list 2 when I'm going to put the Y's. So I'm going to delete with, if I go there, if I do delete. So I'm going to ask you to put the datas in list 1. Which data are you going to put?
78, 61.
61, 58, 67, 75, and so on. Okay?
So you just list a bunch of them in that one?
Yeah, so in list 1, we're going to put the axis. So 61, and then enter, it goes to the next. 58,
What is the
67, 83, 84, 85. 81, 76, 65, 58, 65, 58. After I'm done, you can move, you see, I know, I'm a little fast. So you can move up and down here with the cursor, up and down, these two. So I can go to L2 on the top, delete, delete, delete. And then I put the values for list 2 that are my Y's, electricity bill. So 150, 139, 72.
205.
Thank you. You can tell me, it would be fantastic.
You should have one reader.
170. You can be the reader.
Like type.
234. 255.
Oh, that's so.
Okay, so in this way you put the points. So far?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so so now we put you should have the line here should be at the same point, so there is no mismatch. Otherwise the calculator is going to tell you dimension mismatch. If you have one less data on the X or on the Y. So now I want to graph it. To be able to graph it, I need to set up the window. So which one the minimum value of the X? Which one is the minimum value of the temperature?
58.
58, so I'm going to put 50 over here. And what is the maximum?
Wait, what did you click?
What did you do after that?
Okay, I went to window, right here.
So you just click window after?
Window, yeah. So I'm setting up the window viewing of these points. So the minimum is 50 for the X. What is the maximum for the X? 85. So I'm going to go 100. Go a little higher. And this ever 10. What about the Y? The Y is the electricity. What is the minimum value? 110. I'm going to go 80.
Where'd you get that 10?
Yeah, how'd you get
10 is the scale. It means each 10 you do a little line. So I go from 80, and the highest is 300, 400. I go 300 every 10.
Why is it 80?
I just choose a number a little before,
Okay.
right? Instead of just the minimum, just a number a little before. So now I set up the window. I set up the two lists. So if I go to graph, I should be able to see my points.
Oh.
Do you see the points?
Yeah. No?
Yeah.
So
Sure.
I'm going to help you. I'm going to stop this one. So I'm going to stop the first video.